Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia. I'm inside this showroom checking out a really special 1964 and a half Ford Mustang convertible. I'm going to run through it and let you know why it's so special. If you look me up and you look at my website, you'll see that my first two cars as a kid were both 66 Mustangs. So when I got back into this as a hobby and then a business, I was always partial to Mustangs as they were, my original cars. So anyhow, this particular car is probably the nicest driving and, in my opinion, looking Mustang that I have had perhaps ever, but in a long time. And it is a joy to drive, and the integrity of this car is fantastic. So most of you know that Ford started the Mustang in the early part of, or the late part of 64. And so the early production cars were called 64 and a half. They got titled as a 65. But there were some nuances to the early cars, and this one has them. But I'm going to just run through this car for you. So I bought this from a gentleman who actually owned the car twice. He originally bought the car in 2003 out of Colorado. The story on the car is that it originally was sold out of St. Clair Shores, Michigan. I have all the original paperwork, including the original window sticker. Okay, so stay with me. So after it was brand new, evidently it did go to Colorado and spent a good part, if not all of its life out there in Colorado. He bought it out of Colorado in 2003. He sold it and in 2011, I believe it was. And he told the guy that if the guy ever sold it, that he would love a chance to buy it back. Well, sure enough, in 2013, he had the chance to buy it back. It was in Wyoming, and he bought the car back. This car was restored prior to him in 2003 as far as the paint and body goes. And wait till you see this baby. It is as straight as they come, as solid as they come, all original body panels. Let's start a walk around tour. I'll tell you all about it. I'll start it up, let you hear it running. So this is a C-code car. Original production date on the car was August 3rd, according to the build tag. The paperwork shows that it was purchased on August 17th. It's a matching number car. Now, I gotta be careful when I say matching number on a Mustang. Everything date code's correct. So the motor on this shows a date code of being built July 30th, which of course lines up with the August 3rd production date. All the original tags that are on the motor, everything checks out as far as date codes go and equipment. It has the original Autolite carburetor that's been rebuilt. That was rebuilt recently, the second time that he bought it back. He didn't think it was running as good as it could, so he did have the carburetor rebuilt. So it's a 289 two-barrel. Let's give it a walk-around tour. So Silversmoke gray. That's a 64 and a half, 65 only color. It'll look silver in some pictures, and it may have a slight blue tone or greenish blue tone in some of the pictures. Almost like a silver blue, but just a really outstanding color, and just rare to find one that's still in its original color like this. Check out the reflection in the paint. I mean, we were just so impressed with the quality of the paint on this. Whoever did this restoration, probably only had one repaint. It was done right. We don't see any filler. We don't see any rust repair, body panel replacement. We believe it's all original body panels, and everything lines up amazing. Now, the only thing we've done, a couple of things we've done, I guess, we've put brand new BF Goodrich radial TA tires on it. The tires that were on this car were definitely in need of replacement due to age. Just look how nice the body and the gaps are in the body panels. So brand new BFG radial TA tires. All your chrome, trim, weather stripping, everything just looks fantastic. In addition, we went ahead and gave the engine bay a nice detail. It looked good and original, but given the quality of this car, we decided, you know what, let's spend a few dollars and some time, and my technician is fantastic at this. Gave it a really nice engine bay detail, all the correct colors there, the black block with the gold valve covers, an air cleaner, a lot of correct stickers. So you'll see, she's really nicely detailed. So this is one you can, well, first of all, you can drive and enjoy the heck out of this car. It is one of the best running Mustangs I have had. But of course, you can show up at all your local shows, car shows and cruise-ins, and you'll probably take home some hardware if that's what you enjoy. I'm going to get in, I'm going to start up and let you hear it running. So you can see it's a 289 two-barrel. Now it's an original 3-speed manual. Don't let that scare you, because I'm going to tell you something. This thing shifts like butter and has lots of torque and really hits the road nice. Nothing wrong with the 3-speed. The interior looks fantastic. I believe it's all original. Door panels, everything looks fantastic. Rear seat looks great. You'll see in the pictures the convertible top. It's a power convertible top, operates perfectly. It's in fantastic condition. You know, years ago there was a Kenwood cassette stereo that was added to it. You've got the hump hugger center console with some cup holders in there, easily removable if you don't want that. The rubber floor mats. Mileage is showing 25,177. So I'm going to say 125,000 miles. I don't have documentation as far as a rebuild to the motor, but when you drive this car, you've got to think that it's had a bit of a rebuild. And we did remove the valve covers when we did the engine bay detail, and it is clean as a whistle in that valve train. So I'm going to fire it up and let you hear it running. Really nice tone from the dual exhaust. And like I said, I drove it the other day, and man, she drives great. Just a blast to drive. Undercarriage looks great. Floor pans. Let you hear it running. So if you've been trying to hunt down a classic Mustang that you and your family can get in, drive, and enjoy, that is in amazing condition, and perhaps you want something that's really nicely documented, this one has all of its original documentation. You cannot go wrong with this 64.5. I am thrilled with it. I'm sure the next lucky owner will be as well. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 770-359-8400. Thanks very much.